So what I aim to do is mount this on my camera boom. So I'm going to try and mount it here using the microphone jack. Let's do this. Quick project. Since getting this microphone's been kicking around the shop a bit, and I've been a bit worried that I'm going to damage it. It's especially bad near the machine tools with rotating spindles. By containing everything onto the camera boom, it's a much safer setup. I'm just going to switch over to carbide to cut the final corner. I've intentionally left this section extra long so that I can flip it around in the collet because I forgot to drill it in the previous operation. All good though. So I measured the female thread in the bottom here to be 5/8. It's hard to judge if it was 26 or 27 TPI, threads per inch. When online, it's 27. To be honest, 26 probably would have worked over the short thread engagement, but we'll run with the 27. I set this gearbox up to follow the Hercus thread chart, so when I need a certain thread pitch, I just refer to the chart. 27 TPI. We need 16 on the stud gear. I've got a 32 tooth gear, so it's out by a ratio of 2, but we can adjust that here. On the Hercus chart, it's a 1:1 ratio. Making up for that, we set it to a half. A half. That's metric. That's imperial. And on the screw gear, we're after 54 on the screw gear. Ready to go. So first of all, a scratch pass to confirm we've got the right thread pitch. Then we'll go for it. So, the new filming rig is this. Phone to capture audio. This is a USB microphone. Now to make it work, I've got a USB on-the-go cable, USB OTG cable. Now if you're going to use your phone, you've got to check that it is compatible with one of those cables. Not every phone is. This should be much better to get good audio wherever I am in the workshop from now on. Thanks for watching. Oh, I'm an idiot.